Well, hola, konnichiwa. Welcome to this video. And I'm excited because I just got my advent calendar from SpaceNK. It's so big and so heavy, and I wanna like unbox a few doors. I got a 20% off, and they still have a 20% off for like Singles Day or something like that. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be unboxing maybe 5 doors to check out what the general vibe and if we like the things that we see in there. So this, let me see if I can do this. This is how the calendar looks inside. It says beauty something something, beauty with love, 25 days of beauty with love, and here are 25 days. So I'm gonna be picking a random day. How about day number 2? This box is a little difficult to open, so I'm just gonna take it out, put it lying flat, and I'll be back. So here's box number 2, as I promised, and it says here, hands up if you love award-winning planet-pleasing formula. So I'm thinking there's a hand cream or something in here because it says hands, so like a punny thing with hands. So let's take a look. And yes, is the necessary, the hand cream. Here it is. And let's open it. And I don't have any opened hand creams, so I'm gonna open it for you. Like, it says that it's fragrance free, so I probably wouldn't have anything to say about fragrance. It comes sealed. There you go. And you use this. And let's take a look at the texture. I wish, honestly, it wasn't fragrance free, but I've heard from this brand and I've heard good things. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Completely fragrance free. So let's rub it in. Okay, it has like a faint scent of something, but I don't know what. Okay. And it feels nice on the hands. So I'm really happy with box number 2. So let's go and see which other number of box I will pick. How about I pick 11? Because Singles Days. So today is November 11 when I'm filming. I hope to upload it today, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. If it doesn't, gomenasai, I'm so sorry. But it says, what the SPF? We're nearly half there. And I know what's in here because I peeked on the website before buying it, because I wanted to see if there were a few items I would be excited about. And yes, this is the Ultraviolet SPF 50 Supreme Screen Hydrating Facial Sunscreen. Very high protection. I've been dying to try Australian sunscreen forever. And you can't really get it in Japan for some reason, but inside this box you can have it, and this is how it looks like. So I'm not gonna open this one to show you the texture for a simple reason. I have like 5 or 7 sunscreens open right now. I'm a sunscreen junkie, so this is how it should stay. It should stay closed until I empty at least one of those. So I'm sorry, and I'm still like, I cannot try it on, so it would be a waste of product. But at least we got to see the hand cream. So I'm putting it back into the box. One thing I have to say though, the boxes are a little hard to get out of the advent calendar. So that would be like a little detail that you have to consider. It's not so easy to get out of the advent calendar. But we have 2 boxes. I'm not gonna open boxes that are too far into the 25th because, well, I think the most goodies come at the best goodies come at the end, I feel. So let's do number 8, because I ordered this on the 8th of November, which was my birthday. And yeah, I'm surprised that it came. I'm really happy it came so fast, because shipping is like $17.50 to Japan. And I think it's worth it. I prepaid the customs and taxes and stuff, and it worked out. So this is number 8, and it says something cryptic. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. I don't know what that means. So I'm gonna enjoy opening this Advent calendar. Oh, come on. I was looking forward to this one. It's an Hourglass Veil translucent powder. I love Hourglass powders. Actually what I'm wearing, my blush and bronzer, are from the Ambient Light Edit. I can't open this. Okay, here it goes. Okay, here we go. I'm also not gonna open it because I have products that are serving that purpose, but here you can see how it looks like. And then you see the reflection of the cell phone. Sorry about that. And I think I have spoiled myself enough boxes. I said I would open like 5 boxes, but I'm not feeling like opening more because I knew what kinda was in there, but should I open one more? Okay, let's go with number 4, and that's it. I'll be back when I manage to get it out of the box. So that's something you have to consider. You get annoyed easily. Maybe this is not the Advent calendar for you. The last box we're gonna be opening today is box number 4, and the cryptic message that it says is "Let it glow, let it glow, let it glow." I have no idea what can be in here, but I love the little messages. What can it be? I was looking forward to this one. Oh my god, I just spoiled myself, and probably you didn't want spoilers, but if you want just a few spoilers to decide if the calendar is good or not, I think I've shown you like really good stuff. This is the Summer Fridays Sesame Serum. Brighten. I've been wanting to try this for ages. I love vitamin C. I'm currently using Sunday Riley. So, and when I like, this was one of the deciding factors. I'm not gonna open it, but it opened itself. It's a pump bottle. But otherwise it's intact. It's 30 ml, and this is how it looks. So, let it glow, let it glow, let it glow. Vitamin C is one of my loves. And I'm just wearing a t-shirt because it's kind of warm in November. And I'm wearing this little hat because I was cleaning. But this arrived and I couldn't help myself, and I had to film this for you. Because in case you are trying to decide whether or not to buy this calendar, maybe today is a good day to buy it because there's a sale. So I'm gonna get to editing this video right away. And this is the calendar again, how it looks. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you like the channel and if you like content and what we share here, a little bit of everything, just subscribe. So sayonara beautiful, bye.